as a construction of a angle or side. A given line segment as AB, when we draw perpendicular bisector, take a arc from more than half of both sides. Take a point A as center and draw the arc of both sides, upper and lower, and as a B, similarly make an arc and join. This is the perpendicular bisector as a 90, so AM is equal to BM. Now next हमारे पास है any given angle. You know angle has two arms and deviation of between the lines between the arms is known as angle. When we draw the bisector of angle, make a arc from the center as a middle angle AOB, where OA and OB are the arms of the angle. So we make a equal arc as any radius, and both ends we make draw arc more than half as a point this and upper point and join O. This is the angle bisector as a given angle theta by 2, and it is also theta by 2. Let's make angle similarly 60, half of 60, half of 30, and half of this. Next we make angle 90, half of this 45, 22 and half, and 11.25 degree. Similarly we make a line and take any arc as a point AB as given point, any arc, and next same arc take a center as point this and make arc as first arc is maybe 60, second arc maybe 120, and third arc maybe 180. When we draw this line as a dotted, so this angle may be 180. This is a equal part 60 as 60, and next part is equal to 120, and this is completely 180. Now half of this make a angle bisector as draw the arc of this, and again this is 30, this is also 30. When we draw the angle bisector of these lines as 60 to 120, make arc same equal as a same arc, draw this is 90 as a 60 plus 30, and next half of this we draw half of this angle 90, so we make a 45. This is equal to 45. Next when we draw angle more than 90, so we get a left side of the arc, this is 120, and half of this means 90 and 120, half of this we get 105. Again this is 120 and this is 180, half of this we make a arc and it makes 150. Next this is 180 as we make 165, so half of this angle and we make 165. नेक्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन है हमारे पास सिंपल वाली. अगर आपको कोई एंगल 75 बनाना है तो 75 एज ए, मैं नेक्स्ट लाइन ले लेता हूँ. वी मेक अ आर्क एज दिस एंड दिस and bisector of this as a 90. This is 60 and difference between them is a 30 degree. So we make bisector of this angle half of this and this is equal to 75. नेक्स्ट पार्ट है हमारे पास ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्शन, बहुत छोटे से पार्ट हैं. व्हेन गिव ए पैरामीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल पैरामीटर गिवन है, ट्रायंगल ABC पैरामीटर गिवन है हमारे पास 14 सेंटीमीटर एंड गिवन एंगल any two angle given angle 1 is equal to 60 degree and angle 2 is equal to 45 degree. So we make a line xy any line as given parameter 14 centimeter. Next we draw a given angle both ends as a 60, make a arc. Next 45, so firstly we make as a 90 arc of this and then half it, so this is equal to 45. After that 45 and 60 we draw angle bisector of both angles as half of this and similarly half of this and produce cut a point A. Then we draw perpendicular bisector of AX, both angles, both arc and join it, given a point name B. Again YA का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट करेंगे, तो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस, join this. Now we make join it AB and AC. So this is the angle bisector. So perpendicular bisector, this is equal to this and so this is equal to this. By triangle congruency this is equal to this and by triangle congruency again this is equal to this, but we know this plus this is equal to 14, so this plus this is equal to 14 centimeter. Now clear? Okay, please like and subscribe my channel.